Good morning, I'm Mike Dufresne, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Pierce Manufacturing. First, I'd like to take a moment to recognize each of you and your dedication as first responders who are making a difference during these unprecedented times. On behalf of all of us at Pierce Manufacturing, we say thank you. Every year around this time, we showcase our dedication to the industry by unveiling our new products and technologies which advance the safety, efficiency, and effectiveness of firefighters. You can't postpone performance. Over the next week, Pierce will be broadcasting an online product showcase that will feature launches of new products, product enhancements, and product walkarounds by Pierce subject matter experts. Look for these videos on our social media accounts and website each day next week around 10 a.m. Central Time. We will also be launching updates to our emerging technology in May and have major product launch planned for June, so stay tuned for further announcements. Thank you and stay safe.